we divide 675 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So 675 divided by 5 is 135. So this much for today and thanks for watching.